Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Majimon's English program or Burglish, where we mix Burmese and English and call it Burglish. So today we are going to be talking about a light art installation that I went to with my friends in New York City. Majimon English season nga jozobare, Burglish kale jozobare. Burglish soda bamazgane English scalo sapiye kacho, yobiye kacho, Burglish lokore. Diniado Jimonoa light art installation, New York City ma. Light art soa alinyao piaga or anupinyao Jimono twachida New York City no male. Ejang ni nele piapiame, no? So one thing I wanted to say is I really enjoy my friends. I think they always make an effort to see me and to explore places. And I love exploring, especially in New York City. Jimo thingy genio, ayan appreciate pite lo, ayan Jesu dene lo bapyo sora, throwa miereme Jimo kore, no di piarai teo dwayen. Down New York City So we went to this light installation. Light installation is a linyao dasenhu. No, a linyao light, right? A linyao light, a lin light, bright. So dasenhu installation. So it was an art installation. Anupinya, art, right? Anupinya, art. So it was light art pieces that we saw. Anupinya, art. So we went inside the museum and we saw these beautiful patterns made out of light art. And a lot of them had these body images. They made these light art and it was of these beautiful women, diverse, beautiful women of different body sizes. So beautiful. Okay, so we went inside. Atereo dwabia kaja, di piarai teo, jemo dwabia kaja, the colorful ayamzo myozo, duida. Etema droa bonzam yare, bonzam patterns. We saw stunning patterns. Bonzam yare. Beautiful patterns. So pattern, bonza myade patterns. Era alinyao throa amyodhamia bonza neo, amyodhamia bonio, alinyao swania. So they were drawing these beautiful images of women just with light art. I thought that was really pretty. Piangwe nira. So piangwe means change, right? So the shapes were changing. The light art was always changing. Piangwe nira. So that's it from Jimon's English program and Burglish. And it was also just a new event for me. I've never seen a light art installation before. Did you think it was cool? What cool events have you gone to, or what cool things have you done this weekend? So the weekend ma Jimon pyo pya bari maite hari bari dwele bari lole Jimon you. No, write in the comments below.